Hey there, and welcome to Consult the Blind Guy. My name is Andrew. In today's episode, we're talking about being a data analyst working from home to make some money. If you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you can stay updated on the latest videos, live streams, and more. If you're a member of the consulting crew, welcome back. I hope you find today's episode helpful. Let's get to it. As I said, welcome to the show. My name is Andrew, and today we're talking about being a data analyst and working from home to make some money. What is data analyst? Well, a data analyst is somebody who takes information and puts it into a graph or paperwork documentation to assist a company to give them the results on research. So we'll say, hypothetically, I'm doing a review of all the data analytics from this YouTube channel. Rather than me going through and trying to figure out how much watch time and click-through rate I have on each video or how many views and comments I got on each video, I would hire a data analyst to go in and find out these statistics for me, which would include, we'll say, going into every one of the 100+ videos that are on this channel and seeing how many views they had, how many likes they had, and figuring out the amount of engagement that I had on these videos. What were the positive? What were the negatives? And so on. Then that person that I would hire would go in and go through and look at all the information to get the answers on how good or how bad I was doing on the channel. Now, of course, YouTube and TubeBuddy and vidIQ and all the other companies do this kind of thing for you already, but that's just a hypothetical. It could be a study that a company is doing on how effective a promotion or ad is, how effective or ineffective their campaigns were in sales. They could have a quota of, we'll say, 1,000 books, and they had 950 sales out of their 1,000, and they're trying to figure out how many of them were good reviews, bad reviews, returns, damaged products, things like that. That then analyst will go in then and take a look at the information that they have from all the sales and returns and reviews posted on the website and things like that, and then take that information, put it into a sheet to show the ups and downs of that particular sales campaign. So I hope that gives you a brief rundown of what data analysts do, and it helps you to understand what kind of job this is in the short term aspect of describing it and explaining it. And now I'm going to give you a list of different websites that you can go to find these kind of jobs. Of course, these are not the only platforms you can use to be able to find these ones. These are just a brief rundown of some of the top websites you can go to find this kind of job. And you can also Google it, do a web search on whatever browser you use, and you will find a ton of results on all of the different places that you can apply for. Just make sure that when you do these kind of searches that you put remote in front of the type of career or business or service that you're looking to do, because It will narrow down the search results to make sure it is something you can do remotely, from home, or online. You can check out Indeed.com, ZipRecruiter.com, FlexJobs.com, Five9.com, LinkedIn.com, Upwork.com, Zippia.com, Salary.com, Glassdoor.com, Craigslist.com, and Fiverr.com. As I said, there are plenty of other websites out there that have these kind of listings on them that you can check out. I hope today's video was of value to you, and I look forward to hearing any comments that you have, questions, concerns. Go ahead, drop them down below. If you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you can stay updated on the latest videos, as I am covering 100+ different ways for you to be able to work from home and online. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next episode.